Alright folks, Mike the Dodge guy again. Just something real short and quick. I have been sent Quadrajet, one of the older ones. From the top, this is about what and it looks like it's really super complicated. It's not super complicated, but it's definitely different than most. So what I've done, I've got it torn apart. Okay, it's got some unique looking floats for it. I got this thing all torn apart. Been sitting for a couple of years. And this one here is actually a replacement for the one the customer actually sent to me. The one the customer sent to me was just beyond repair. I rarely come across a carburetor I can't repair, and this one, it was one of them. So I put the feelers out. Took me a while, but I found a couple. And we're getting ready to put this one here in the dip. Make this thing come out looking halfway decent if we can. And after we get it dipped and cleaned up, we're going to check this bowl for any cracks or anything like that. He did have a complaint about it leaking fuel on this gasket here. And the gasket looked like it was in pretty good shape. So, but yeah, we're going to put it in the dip. Let it sit for a while and pull it out and put it in the ionic cleaner, and then we'll start putting it all back together, see how it comes out. And don't give me no lip about my bench. I mean, this is Saturday and I've already done 5 carburetors this week. So, I know it's a mess. I'll get it cleaned back up. I'll get it there. And once I get this building finished up where it's strictly just for carburetors and tools, then I'll show you that. Alright? Talk to you later. Bye.